Here's a 2011 Honda Fit. Dare to compare it to any others in its class with its amazing array of standard amenities, including a trip computer, power mirrors, power door locks, one-touch power windows, and McPherson strut front suspension. True to its name, the Fit is a perfect fit for anyone looking for a fun-to-drive economy car, packed with style, comfort, convenience, and safety. See this one for yourself today. It's a 2011 Honda Fit. Practicality, performance, and features including electric power steering, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, tire pressure monitor, and stability and traction control all come standard. Whether you're young or just young at heart, you'll love this Fit with its European styling, incredible handling, spunky performance, and sleek high-tech instrumentation. Come on in today and take it for a test drive.
We're confident we have the right used car, truck, or SUV for you. Stop in and see us today at 2008 US Highway 19 in Holiday, Florida.